Okay, so let's dive into a really common problem for businesses.
Yeah,
Imagine you're trying to keep track of all your orders,
right.
but your system isn't really giving you the full picture,
Uh-huh.
especially those orders you can't fill right away.
Yeah, those back orders can be tricky.
Exactly like when you're out of stock, but still need to manage those orders somehow.
You don't want to lose track of what you owe customers.
Right. And that's what makes this deep dive so interesting.
Okay.
Tiana Solutions had a client who was using Acumatica.
Pretty popular system.
Yeah, it is for sales and shipments, but they hit a snag.
Oh, what happened?
Well, they couldn't create shipments for items that had zero stock.
That's a problem.
Yeah, big problem. They couldn't even track those back orders on their packing slips.
Oh, wow. So how'd they fix that?
Well, that's where Deba comes in.
Okay.
She's an associate principal consultant at Tiana Solutions.
Gotcha.
She's got like 3 years of ERP expertise.
Wow, 3 years. That's a lot of experience.
It is the ERP world she's seen a lot.
Yeah, she must have.
And she used all that experience to figure out this problem.
Interesting.
So she found a solution just by changing a couple settings in Acumatica.
Huh. So what does she do?
Well, there are these options in Acumatica
Okay.
called Add Zero Lines and Create Zero Shipment.
I don't think I've heard of those.
Yeah, they're kind of tucked away under Sales Order Preferences.
Okay.
And she had the client enable those options.
And that fixed it.
It was like magic.
So, like, those options basically tell Acumatica to keep track of everything.
Even if you're out of stock.
Yeah, like, hey, don't forget about this order, even though we can't shoe it right now.
Exactly. But there was one more important step.
Oh, really? What was that?
So she also had the client enable the Allow Negative Quantity checkbox.
Interesting.
This one's in their item classes.
Okay.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting.
Why is that?
Well, it's all about having more control over your inventory tracking. You're not
Okay.
just acknowledging the back order.
Right.
You're making it visible throughout the whole process.
That makes sense.
So think about it. You're packing orders,
Okay.
and you see an item on the packing slip,
Yeah.
even though you know it's out of stock.
Interesting.
That's huge for avoiding confusion later on.
So instead of people wondering where the item is,
Yeah.
everyone knows it's on back order and it'll ship later.
Exactly.
Smart. It's such a small change, but it makes a big difference.
Yeah, it's like having a reminder right there in the system.
So nobody forgets about those customers waiting for their orders.
That's exactly right. And it also helps with customer service.
How so?
Well, if a customer calls about their back-ordered item,
Yeah.
the team can see exactly what's going on and give them an update.
Makes sense. No more scrambling for information.
Right. It prevents those awkward situations where a customer gets a packing slip without the item they ordered.
Oh, yeah. That can be really bad for customer trust.
Totally. It just creates a negative experience.
Definitely.
This whole thing really shows how important it is
Yeah.
to really understand your ERP system.
You got to know all the little details
Yeah, even those tiny settings can have a huge impact.
on your efficiency and how happy your customers are.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And see how Tiana Solutions can help?
Give them a call.
You can reach them at 678-910-2774.
Easy to remember.
Yeah, and they offer free consultations.
So you can talk about your specific needs.
Figure out how they can help.
Streamline your business.
Right. And that wraps up our deep dive for today.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we hope you found it insightful, maybe even inspiring.
Yeah.
Even in the most complex systems, there's often a simple solution waiting to be discovered.
Just gotta find it.
So keep exploring, keep asking questions.
And don't be afraid to ask for help.
Exactly. Until next time.